My name's Jeff Dale. I'm Managing Director of Jeff Dale Auto Centres Limited, trading as locally people would know it as High Q on Station Road, Deeside, North Wales. We do anything that you need doing on your car, everything with the exception of bodywork. Since COVID, I've had nothing but support from Flintshire Council. When they approached me this year, if you were going to do your premises up, Jeff, because it's on a high street, what would you do? Well, how long's a piece of string? Because like everything else, there's stacks of things that want doing. When I gave the list to Jonathan, he was very receptive to the work that we wanted to do to improve the site and to improve the look on the high street. When you look along the high street now, Station Road, ours definitely is a standout building now. The signage was very dated, that need doing to lift the premises. The painting of the premises inside and out, but probably out of all of it, and a lot of my customers will agree, the forecourt was long overdue to get done. Night time, it's fully illuminated. The signs we've got are all backlit. So I'm 100% pleased with it, can't fault it. The reception from my customers, which is what Jeff's that's all what I'm interested in, has been nothing but positive. How professional the site looks now, so much cleaner, tidier, brighter, and that has seen a massive increase in footfall to the business as well. When they're down here, sometimes, if the car's here for a couple of hours for work to be done on it, they're going to other shops on the high street. So it's worked out for quite a few people, approximately 30% increase in business over 5 months, which is huge. On the back of the increased work, we've had to take on another member of staff as well. So again, a marked increase in business. Extremely proud of how the new centre has been received by so many people. When you see something morning after morning after morning, you take it for granted until you see the new look and you think, my God, is that what it used to look like? So really, I've put money back into the business along with Flintshire Council, but we're reaping the benefits of it, and hopefully moving forward, Flintshire Council will see that as well, as we talked about increased footfall to a high street.
I'm Dan Farrell from Full Circle Security Systems. We supply and install security systems across the board. Intruder alarms, CCTV, access control, fire alarm systems. We received support from Flintshire County Council. We've bought the building and we have had to refurbish the entire property. When we first took the building on, it was in a bit of disrepair. So we applied for a grant with Flintshire to get the building up to a good standard for our staff to function from. It used to be a restaurant, so it was a completely different industry to what we're doing ourselves. Well, when I first came into the building, it was like the backyard was like a jungle, and we needed a car park really to function from for the engineers' vans coming in and out and picking stock up and tools and what have you. So we created an access at the back and opened it up and to put a car park in, so we've got a nice staff car park in place now. At first it was 2 separate properties, so we've had to sort of refurbish the ground floor first off, and then we went upstairs and we've created some nice office space and meeting room for us to use and to bring customers in and show them what we do and showcase the various systems that we offer. It's been great. We've been able to go that extra mile with the support. We probably would have had to hold back on certain things that we've done to the property. Things like we've rendered the outside, we've put all brand new signage up outside, and probably would have had to hold it back a little bit really and not spend as much. But with the grant funding, it's really helped us to sort of go that extra mile and make it look like it does today.